I know this video is somewhat late since it's been about a week since these shoes dropped, but I still wanted to take the time to review and go over these sneakers because, as you can tell by the title and the thumbnail, these are my favorite sneakers to release, at least one of my favorite sneakers to release this year, and that is the Air Jordan 3 Retro Fire Red. Now, I'm sure you guys have probably seen this sneaker a lot already, but we're still going to go through it. I love this little pamphlet catalog thing that comes with the shoes. It's a nice added touch. Kind of goes over and breaks down each parts of the Jordan 3 model, which is really cool. But yeah, we're just gonna get right to the sneakers and do a little review here, old school style. So here are the Air Jordan 3 Fire Reds, and like I said, this has been one of my most highly anticipated shoes of the year. I've been waiting for this to drop ever since rumors and leaks came out about this shoe releasing this year. I think that was way back towards the start of this year, and I'm just happy we're here now, man. We have these in hand, we have the release, and yeah, dude, I just can't be I can't be any more happier. I mentioned in the past that the Air Jordan 3 is one of my favorite models, if not my favorite model, my favorite Air Jordan model. And I'm also, very much highly attracted to the retro, the OG classic colorways, so it's a no-brainer why this is one of my favorite shoes to release this year. Let me know what you guys think of these shoes. Did you cop? How do you feel they looked? Did it live up to your expectations? And I guess another cool added touch that came with the shoe, as we're taking a look right here, is this orange Nike Air hang tag. Just a little something nice. Something like this came with the Air Jordan 4 Fire Reds that released a couple years ago. But yeah, taking a closer look here, let me know what you guys think of the quality and the craftsmanship, the materials. I think, it was all right. The materials are nice, pretty standard when it comes to Air Jordan retros. I was a little bit bummed by some of the inconsistent material craftsmanship stuff though when it comes to this shoe, because I don't know if you can tell here in these close-up shots, but the leather quality isn't exactly the same on both pairs, which is kind of a bummer. It's very minor, but when you're paying a $200 retail price, I think that was the retail price at least, you want to make sure that the quality and the craftsmanship is A1, and at the very least both shoes match. But it is what it is. It's Air Jordan retro sneakers. People will still buy them. I'm still gonna buy them because we love these colors and we love these shoes. But yeah, let's take a look at these on feet. All right, here's a look at the Air Jordan 3 Retro Fire Reds on feet. Let me know what you guys think. Again, did you cop? And if you did, did they live up to your expectations? Let me know in the comments down below. The materials, the craftsmanship, how was the experience for you? Would you recommend these to others who are maybe on the fence whether or not they want to cop? But yeah, like I said, man, I'm just happy to have these, one of my favorite shoes to release this year. And for those curious about sizing, so when it comes to Air Jordan 3s, I go true to size. So I'm a true to size 11 and a half in most of my Nike and Air Jordan sneakers. So I got these in a size 11 and a half, and they just fit me perfect, man. So that's what I would recommend to you. Stick true to size. I'm sure you'll be fine going with that. But yeah, dude, let me know how you guys think of the on feet. Do they look nice just from a glance? And yeah, share with me in the comments below, your overall thoughts on these shoes, and if you think these deserve to be in a top 10 sneaker releases of the year type category, because they'll definitely be in mind when that time comes to go over the shoes that release this year. This will definitely be my top 10, no matter the quality, the inconsistencies, all of that. I love this shoe, man. But yeah, that's pretty much gonna do it for this video as we wrap up here. Let me know what you guys think all in the comments below, and thank you so much for sticking around. If you enjoyed the content, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. I got a few more videos lined up here that'll be releasing soon, so like I said, if you enjoyed the content, please consider sticking around. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, all of that. I love all you guys, appreciate the love and support. And if you have any video suggestions that you want me to do next, feel free to leave that also in the comments below. I read all my comments. I'll definitely get into it. But with that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace.